Just wow. It will be bite me or no?
Nah, nah, she's cool.
Wow. This is snake.
You never touch one?
No, I don't want to touch. I'm scary from snake. I tell you.
Fine. You'll be fine. It's like touching a leather bag.
Wow. I cannot believe.
You go that way, it's smoother. It's like a belt. It feels like a belt. That's why I bought her that. Her name's Bella. Yeah, she's only like 4. Yeah, but when the sun's out in the hot, I'll bring her out. She'll get another foot. She's 4 at the minute. Yeah. And then the one indoors is going to get 14 once she's big.
Yeah, she's big.
Yeah, but this one, pretty grown fine.